But first, let's kick things off with a do-it-yourself project with Bill.
All right, I'm over in the Price Chopper kitchen with Ashley and Kristin from the Makery to create that DIY decor that can change with the seasons. Guys, welcome to the studio today. How can we use this beyond fall? Because we've got a great little fall decor set up here originally. So how can we make this, or let's talk through the project and how we can change it for the seasons.
Yeah, we love this sweet little project. It's perfect for the fall, but what we love about it is it can be every day and for your home decor of what you like in terms of farmhouse, modern, but you can also carry it into the other seasons, Christmas, even into like a really great winterscape as well.
Awesome. Well, I can't wait. I mean, we're already in September. Christmas is going to be here before you know
I know.
it. So, all right, well, what do we need to get started here? What tools are we going to need?
Okay, so we started with a piece of 4x4 lumber that you can pick up at Home Depot. And if you don't have access to a miter saw, you can have them cut this there for you at Home Depot.
Oh, perfect. So if you want it, because this cut right here is the mitered cut to get the angled pitch on the top there. So you need to have that specially cut for you, or if, like you said, if you have the saw.
Right, if you have access, you can do it.
Okay.
So what we did to get the angle was we used the miter saw and then adjusted the blade to a 40-degree angle and cut it on both sides.
Okay.
And this is where you can really make it your own. If you love the modern look, how precious is this look if you have a modern home, if you have a more traditional home, and that's where you can really play with the pitch of the roof in order to even personalize it to your own house.
Yeah, whatever kind of, you know, whatever you want to try here. So it's like you said, for example, this one a little bit more sloped here on this side, or different varieties of whatever you want to do.
Absolutely.
All right.
Then you can use them just kind of throughout the year as a more traditional decor with a traditional house. And then if you want to make it a candle holder, you just need a drill, and then you'll just take, I think we did a 3/4 inch copper fitting into our little chimney, and you just drill it straight down into there, and then you can just set the little copper piece into there for a chimney.
And all that is copper piping like you'd find in your house
It's
there?
copper piping. You can get the tool actually to cut the copper from Home Depot. I think it's $7 or $8.
Yes.
You simply fit it on and then start to turn it.
Just kind of twist it, and it'll
and it breaks right off. So you don't even have to be a welder.
Oh, well, perfect.
I know, right? We made it easy for you.
So will Home Depot cut the piping for you as well if you wanted to?
You know, this is so simple. I would recommend just getting the pipe yourself. And it really takes probably 10 seconds to do it.
And there's so many more projects you can do with copper and the little copper tools, so it's really a good essential for a DIYer's toolbox. So then you can kind of pick out a stain and stain it, or you can paint them, or even just a really good sanding and use just the natural wood is really pretty too.
Natural wood is very trending right now, so that would be a great thing to do as well.
So not even hardly treating it at all, just taking it and kind of just...
And it really only takes one coat.
Yeah.
And I mean, within seconds, you have the house almost completely stained.
Okay, and we kind of talked earlier about what other ways can we use to adapt this for different home styles?
Well, we really love to use like a taper candle. So how precious would this be on a fall tablescape or a Christmas tablescape? Also, Halloween, yes. This is really cute. We made miniature versions. This is where you can get your kids involved, where you can actually make this into your advent calendar for Christmas. Make 25 of these little sweet ones. Place them on your mantle, and then have your kids get involved in making them and taking part in the season.
And that's just little 1x1 pieces of wood that you can cut down for that too.
And that could even just use like a handsaw as well to kind of get that angle.
Okay. Well, very cool, guys. This is a lot of great ideas. What else do we need to know here about heading into the holidays and kind of getting ready? Because these designs are super fun.
Yeah, I know. We love mixing it with the pumpkins. We love mixing it with the greenery. Depending on if you like that farmhouse, modern farmhouse, you can go into the Joanna Gaines section of your Target and find lots of things to help seasonalize this, and then move it into Christmas. It's great for a tablescape, great for a mantle, great for a bookcase.
Well, Modern Farmhouse is going to make another appearance in our show because I went to one of the Parade of Homes as a preview for that's coming up for the Fall Parade of Homes, and the big trend for that design was Modern Farmhouse.
Well, there you go.
So you're already ahead of the game right here. Kristin and Ashley, thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it, and some great ideas for decorating our home for this fall.
Thank you very much.
Belinda?